today's math lesson, we are counting forward and backward, and we're going to count forward and backward using a graph, just like we did on our last lesson, on our previous lesson 3.6. So please take out lesson 3.7, pages 67 and 68 is on the back. You're going to probably want to have some crayons nearby because it makes it easier to fill in our graph. If you try and do it with pencil, it's probably going to take you a while. Alrighty. So, for the first section, it's cattails, and they have already counted the cattails and colored in the graph, okay? So I'm just going to go back over this and check their work. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh dear, I lost my count. I better mark it, right? I do this a lot of times because that lets me know that I'm not forgetting something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 things, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, they've done that correctly. There are 10 cattails, and they've colored in 10 squares, or rectangles rather, on the graph. Now they want us to count the little ducks, okay? So let's count the ducks in the picture, and then we'll graph them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this the duck the same? No, she's not, so I'm not going to count her. 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9. So to fill in my graph, I'm going to always start at the bottom, and I'm going to count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm not going to take the time to color that all in because it will take quite a while for me to do that. I am going to make a slightly bigger dot here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. So there's my graph filled in with 9 for the ducks, okay? Next, I'm going to graph and count how many bees there are. So I need to find the bees over in the picture. I have 1, 2, I better mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me fill in my graph starting at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 bees. I colored in 8 rectangles on my graph. Next, I'm going to do the blades of grass. So I'm going to use green for this because the grass is green. And I'm going to look at the bottom of my page. Here's a blade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, starting at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you notice anything about my graph? Each time I have 1 less. All right. The last thing I need to graph are the flowers. So I'm going to grab an orangish red to do the flowers. I'm going to count them in the picture first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. And I'm going to graph it now. So starting at the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember on your page, you can use your crayon to color in the whole block. I'm simply not doing that because it takes a lot of time and it makes these videos very, very long, longer than you want them to be. Okay, so I have 10 here, 9 here, 8 here, 7 here, and 6 in this one. I can count backwards going this way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Or I can count forward going 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's flip our page over and work on the back side. So this time we're going to mark a path from 1 to 10 using the ladybug dots. So they've given us these sweet little ladybugs, And we're going to start on our path, and we're going to count from 1 to 10. If you look at the ladybugs, you see they have numbers on their bodies, okay? So I'm going to start with 1. 1 is easy. Here's the ladybug with 1, so this is where I begin. 2 is also easy. There's a ladybug with 2. What would be next? 3. Does this guy have 3? No, he's got too many. I don't want to go to him. This lady here has 3. All right. Now I need 4. Well, I only have 1 ladybug in my path. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's where I'm going. Heading to this guy. How about this guy up here? Look, he's got 2 sets of 4. He cannot be right. I only need 5 next. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to find the ladybug with 5 dots. Is this it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So I'm going down to this guy, and then I'm going to go to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I need to go around here. This one only has 2. I'm looking for 7. So 7 has to be this one. Yep, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, do I want to go to 3? No, I want to go to 8. There's 8. 4 and 4 gives me 8. And then I'm going to curve around over here to 9. And the last spot is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm all done. Hope you are too. Give yourself a smiley face and put that in your folder.